Hi, it's Benjamin Del Grosso with Safe Drive Solutions, and welcome to the Dashcam Install Service page, where we come direct to you to install your dash camera on site at your house or business. You can either buy a dash cam and install from us. We offer ThinkWare, iRoad, and GNet dash cams, or you can just get your dash cam installed. Here's our coverage area: West and North Vancouver, Vancouver, Richmond, Delta, New Westminster, Burnaby, Port Moody and Coquitlam, Surrey and White Rock, Langley, Pitt Meadows and Maple Ridge, Abbotsford and Mission, Chilliwack. So if you're looking to get a dash cam installed, we cover the majority of Greater Vancouver and Fraser Valley. Drive an electric car, we come directly to you. If you buy one of the dash cameras from us, we do offer education on those dash cameras because we are well versed with it. If you did buy one of the three brands we offer from somebody else, we also install it and we are able to educate you on it because we are well trained on those three brands. We also only offer a hardwire install or OBD2 install. That is the only two installations we offer. We don't do like cigarette lighter plugins because I know a lot of people will ask us, do you just plug it into the cigarette lighter? No, that is not something we offer here at Safe Drive Solutions. So the main thing we focus on is hardwiring, or on some higher end complex vehicles, we only do an OBD2 plug. And the reason why we do that is just mainly for safety and for a little bit less headache from you if you ever have to go in and get service. So if you have any other questions, feel free to text, email, or call us. We're here to help you out.